Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 774 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am of course trying out another product from my Ipsy glam bags for the month of March. So this is from my Ipsy glam bag plus box. It's the YENSA Super 8 lip oil in pink. So if you have not seen my unboxing video of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box that I did in the same video with my Ipsy Glam Bag, I will have that video linked down below. But I was excited to get another product from the brand YENSA. I've tried out products from this brand that I got in previous Ipsy boxes, but this is so cool. It has 8 super oils in it from superfoods. So it has coconut oil, vitamin E oil, rice bran oil, avocado seed oil, carrot seed oil, chia seed oil, black sesame seed oil, and flaxseed oil. This actually sounds delicious. Can I use this as a salad dressing? But I love a makeup product that also has beneficial ingredients in it. So then it's like 2-in-1, 8-in-1. So you're going to be getting that beautiful lip color and shine, while also it says giving nourishment, moisture, and antioxidants to make your lips feel soft and healthy. This just looks beautiful. It's like a neon pink color, cute packaging. This has a retail value of $24, which seems pretty pricey to me for a lip oil, but considering it has all of those ingredients in it, I understand why it's expensive. And you get a doe foot applicator, and it smells so good. Like, it smells like a watermelon lip gloss from like when I was a kid, but this doesn't have any ingredients in it that would make it smell fruity, really. Like, it has coconut oil, but it doesn't really smell like coconut to me. It smells delicious, but more like a candy scent, which is fine by me. I'm kind of curious. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Yeah, like, I don't think that this color, like, you can barely see it. Like, I don't think it's going to really give any color to my lips, which that's fine, even if it just gives some nice shine and moisture, because my lips definitely need some hydration right now. So let's see how it is. Quick, easy to apply. And it's true that this is a lip oil because it's not exactly what I was expecting. I kind of was expecting more of like a lip gloss texture, but no, this is an oil, so it's like a thinner formula, feels more watery than a lip gloss. So it's kind of like a thinner layer on my lips. Still feels really hydrating, but you don't really get that slippy feeling of a lip gloss. And I also feel like it makes it not quite as shiny as a lip gloss. So if you're the type of person that doesn't want a super glossy lip or like a thick layer of gloss on your lips, but you just want that moisture and a little touch of shine, then a lip oil like this is a great option. I kind of like this as a base to maybe like a colored lip gloss or something like that I would put on top of my lips where I want to really smooth out and hydrate my lips underneath, or just as a nice lip treatment, because this completely hydrated my lips. My lips look so moisturized and healthy, just like it said. They feel so nice and hydrated. Like, there's less lines in my lips. They look plumped up, but they're not like plumping, lip tingling, anything like that. It just added so much hydration that it helped to smooth out my lips and all the lines in my lips. So here you can see what I mean. So this really is a great product. I just wish, like, this color is so beautiful to me that I wish it gave my lips some more color, because really there's no tint of color at all noticeable with the product on my lips. But this is such a beautiful shade of pink that I wish it had some tint to it. That would make this product like perfect to me. but that's okay. I have plenty of other lip colors I could put on top of this if I really wanted to add color. But so I am happy with this. I will definitely continue using it as a great lip treatment for when my lips are dry. I have been loving lip masks for overnight, but this for during the day would be a really great lip treatment to throw on. Quick, easy, and completely nourishing. If you have this lip oil, maybe you got it in your March Ipsy Glam Bag, I would love to hear your thoughts on it. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.